In this video, we'll be talking about creating and accessing invoices. Works invoicing features differ significantly for QuickBooks Online users that have authorized a connection between their QBO and work accounts and non-QBO connected users, so we'll cover each of these two scenarios separately. If you're a QuickBooks Online user and you've authorized a connection between your QBO and work accounts, any quote that you create in Work can easily and automatically be created as an invoice in QBO by clicking the Quotes icon on the left-hand side, selecting the desired quote, and then clicking the Create Invoice link in the top right. If the quoted customer or any of the quote's products or services do not yet exist in QBO, they will automatically be created there as part of the invoice creation process. QuickBooks Online connected users can view all their past month's QBO invoices that were created from work quotes by clicking on the Invoices icon on the left-hand side. Non-QuickBooks Online connected work users can create an invoice within Work, either from an existing quote or from scratch. To create an invoice from an existing quote, click the Quotes icon on the left-hand side, select the desired quote, and then click the Create Invoice link in the top right. To create a new blank invoice, click the Invoices icon on the left-hand side and then click the Add a New Invoice link at the top of the page. To add or edit your invoice's products or services, taxes, or terms and conditions, select the desired invoice and click the Products and Services tab. Note that the products and services, taxes, and terms and conditions available for selection here are managed in the Admin Item Manager section of Work. Please view the Item Manager video to learn more. A link to that video will be posted in the description below. Existing invoice products and services and taxes can be edited or removed from your invoice by clicking on the pencil and garbage can icons respectively. To add new products or services to your invoice, click the Add Products or Services button in the upper left. You can use the search bar or the category or type filters at the top to easily find the product or service that you're looking for. Click the Add button on the right to add the selected product or service to your invoice. Enter the necessary item details and click the Add Item to Invoice button in the bottom right. You can also choose to add custom products or services to your invoice, one-off items that are not found in your Item Manager, by clicking the Add Products or Services button in the upper left and then choosing the Add Custom Products or Services button. Enter the necessary item details and click the Add Item to Invoice button in the bottom right. To add new taxes to your invoice, click the Add Tax button in the upper right. Select the desired taxes and click the Add Tax to Invoice button. Add your terms and conditions and internal notes to the invoice as desired and indicate any required deposit amount. Once done, click the Save button in the bottom left. You can now preview this invoice and save it as a PDF by clicking the Preview Invoice/Save as PDF button in the bottom right. In addition to its products and services, your invoice's basic details, related emails, and transactions can be accessed by clicking on the corresponding tab within your selected invoice. Non-QuickBooks Online connected users can view and access all their invoices at any time by clicking on the Invoices icon on the left-hand side. And that's all the information you'll need to know about creating and accessing invoices. If you need assistance, our awesome support team is always glad to help. We can be reached at 800-558-3054 or by emailing VCGSupport@vcgcorporate.com.